Hi, I'm Mohammed and you're watching the 22nd episode of the Academic IELTS Writing Series. Today we'll complete our problem solution essays supporting paragraphs by adding discussion and conclusion sentences to them. So let's get started. In the first supporting paragraph, we've mentioned the cause of the problem. Now let's go ahead and complete it. This leaves lower income countries with no choice but to rely on less efficient choices, such as manual labor, which yields insufficient produce. It is therefore clear that financial matters are at the root of agricultural advancement's inability to eradicate hunger. And here's the second paragraph. This is proof that if more countries applied for these loans, the world could see the end of hunger in the near future. So financial aid can be key in improving agriculture's effectiveness and ending hunger. In the next episode, we'll finish our double action essay supporting paragraphs. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Hey, it's me again. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Ask me your questions in the comments below. You can also contact me at mohammedgulpaigani@gmail.com for online lessons.